Want that big-ticket item on Lazada without breaking the bank all at once? Let's explore how to split your payments using credit card installments. First, fire up your Lazada app and find that must-have item you've been eyeing. Once you're on the product page, scroll down and check if the installment payment option is available. Keep in mind, this depends on the seller and the price of the item. If installments are available, click Buy Now to proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, look for the payment method section. Click on it to see your options. Now, select credit card installment. You'll likely see a list of available credit card providers and their installment plans. Choose your credit card provider and the installment period that best suits your budget. Longer periods mean smaller monthly payments, but also more interest. Review the total amount you'll be paying, including the interest and the monthly installment amount. Make sure you're comfortable with these figures. If everything looks good, click Place Order. You might be redirected to your bank's website or app to authorize the transaction with an OTP or other security measure. And that's it. You've successfully purchased your item using credit card installments on Lazada. Now you can enjoy your purchase without the immediate financial stress. Happy shopping!